APC
next level.
APC
next level.
Me, Alhaji Gumuna, have come and save you in this community.
Oh yeah.
Me, Alhaji Gumuna, I repeat again, come and save you in this community.
Yes.
I come to use my broom to come and save you in this community.
Yes.
Wipe your tears and wipe the goodness, money, everything that you are suffering in this community.
Yes.
Me, Alhaji Gumuna, have come to come and save you in this community.
Oh yes.
You people have been suffering, I've been here because they think tire me. I say I will come and save this community.
Yes.
Me, Alhaji Gumuna, APC
next level.
APC
next level.
APC
next level.
People don't know APC. People are following PDP. They can use their umbrella and cover this place.
No.
But they can no use they can die. But
Yes.
Yes.
So broom can sweep everything.
Yes.
Can wipe your tears.
Yes.
That you be suffering.
Yes.
Can wipe everything.
Yes.
Who dey here that never touch broom in a house with one time?
Never.
Who dey here that never touch broom in house?
Never.
A day who dey here never touch broom?
Never.
So APC have come to want to save you. APC
next level.
APC
next level.
If you vote for APC, you go receive 1 million.
Hey! Next level.
APC
next level.
So me, Alhaji Gumuna, I come and save you these people in this community.
Yes.
Akudukme. Me APC. So I come to want to save you, Alhaji Gumuna.
Hey.
APC
next level.
APC
next level.
Thank you, people.
Hey. Power.
PDP.
Power.
PDP.
Power.
The people of this community, I say, una well done.
Welcome.
Thank you for listening and gathering because of my coming.
Oh.
It's a thing of joy for me to see people welcoming like this.
Yes.
My people, I want to ask this question before I talk.
Yes.
Can a father allow mother to control the family?
No.
Imagine, it's a shameful thing for we to allow an illiterate who cannot speak and defend this country to lead us for how many years now?
Yes.
My people, since PDP have been ruled this country, we see different development, different progress.
Yes.
But now they come with different. Somebody come with 5 naira to collect 20 naira from you, and you are there happy. Say APC, what is that? My people, they come with broom to sweep. They say they sweep poverty and go there. They come and sweep sickness enter into the country. Imagine we are suffering under coronavirus.
Yes.
See, all suffer under poverty.
Yes.
Somebody come with 5,000. This if you collecting 10 million from our former district. Where are the 10 million? My
Finish.
People, PDP, we say we came back, Mr. Toby.
Yes.
I come back again. We come back to make you people happy, to live realizable. We tell you, the way you see PDP rule during the PDP, I want to ask this question. When I see we ever suffer because of ordinary mangi?
No.
But imagine, before you buy mangi now, you will suffer.
Yes.
Before you see soap now, you will suffer. Now lie at all.
No.
My people, even the president cannot talk.
Yes.
Until when they want to defend this country, the vice will be the one talk. That's why I say, can a woman lead the country?
No.
Imagine they ask woman to lead and he cannot speak.
Yes.
My people, I'm coming. I come back. I say I come. Let you people vote for me.
Yes.
PDP will use this umbrella cover all the nakedness
Yes.
of Nigeria. Will use cover the sickness in Nigeria.
Yes.
Will use this umbrella to save this nation. Can we sleep under the rain?
No.
This one will cover the rain.
Yes.
Can we sleep under the sun?
No.
This one will cover the sun.
Yes.
As if that is the poverty, or everything will be covered. Why? Because they call us giants of Africa. We are not
Yes.
giants of illiterate.
No.
So we cannot allow illiterate to lead us.
Yes.
I, Mr. Engineer Toby, come vote for me, and I will make you happy.
Yes.
I will save your children. They will go school. I will give you more light,
Yes.
more water,
Yes.
everything where you don't have in this community.
Yes.
New Tyro, I promise you.
Yes.
Double land to this community.
Yes.
Because I, Mr. Toby, I say, when you vote for me, you know, when I talk, congratulations to my people who ever carry PDP back. We say congratulations.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
PDP have come back.
Oh.
Things must change.
Yes.
Thank you very much for your listening.
Yes.
We want to say the king. Thank you.
Yes.
Hey, my people used to say Kabiosio.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
Hey.
Bye.
Bye.
My people, agreed una.
Yes, sir.
This message wey I bring for this community. This campaign wey we bring, when our community dey for suffering, since ever, no lie. no roads. Nothing, no service. Una there for stinking suffering. Stinking suffering. Nothing. All parties they come for this community. Consider this one can say PDP umbrella cover this. For 16 years, if they cover problem, the problem see there, it never die. Umbrella broom again inter. Say with a sweep poverty. Something where they sweep back. No like that to burn and that thing go still grow.
Na so.
It don't go grow.
It go grow.
Good. It good say when I do the guesses. They say broom come. He sweep corona inter. Sweep problem inter. Sickness inter. Kidnapper. You know there.
He dey.
School fees will never fit pay.
No.
I want say make una get brain. When una get sense, God don't give una sense. Me, Engineer Chinedu, for president, for this new party, NPP, Nigerian Power Party. This is our logo. If you want to go and vote, if you don't see rich, if you see collapse like this, if you don't see I'm like this, just do voting. This party is to destroy evil. NPP
Destroy evil.
NPP
Destroy evil.
Una cool. Evil must be destroyed.
Yes.
Let me explain.
Yes.
This collapse, you go into Asoro.
Yes.
That rod where they chop paper, you go cut am.
Yes.
You go cut am. You go cut am. You go
Yes,
cut am.
yes,
You go
yes,
cut am.
yes. Destroy.
That snake where they sell out 36 million for jam office. We go leave am.
No.
What you go do?
Destroy.
NPP.
Destroy evil.
My people, I like una. Una don dey reason.
Yes.
This collapse go destroy all the corrupt leaders for this Nigeria. They deceive us, Nigeria, giant of Africa, giant. We don't dey giant for mumu. We don't dey giant for mumu.
Yes.
So now I cut them down. Any corrupt leader, any person who don invest 36 million, 300 billion, this collapse go use destroy am. Abi alive?
No.
Abi alive?
No.
NPP?
Destroy evil.
Now, for this campaign, as we dey move out for rally, all the umbrella where they cover we go cut am so that may rain of miracle fall into this land.
Yes.
Abi alive?
No.
That broom, we no go cut am.
We go cut am.
We go cut am.
We go cut am.
NPP.
Destroy evil.
NPP.
Destroy evil.
Whoa. My people,
Yes.
thank you, sir. This community don dey reason. This community don dey think for themselves.
Yes.
If giant able youth like you people, dey on my side for this party, I know say I must win.
You go win.
You go win.
Now we dey move out for rally.
Yes.
I wan say if we see anybody wey carry umbrella, he carry broom dey disturb our way, na to do what?
Destroy.
Cut am. Na to destroy. Abi?
Yes. So.
We go leave them again.
No.
One day for suffer.
No.
One day for hungry.
No.
Kidnapper go finish us.
No.
Corona go kill us.
No.
Ebola.
No.
Corruption.
No.
My people,
Yes.
we dey go out.
We dey go.
We dey go out. Oh yeah, let's go.
Destroy evil. NPP. Destroy evil. NPP. Destroy evil. Yes.